All right, guys, I just want to show you a little tool that might help you break down the human body, the human face, the still life, the cow skull, the animals that we talk about this week, is being able to annotate, or in other words, draw over your digital photo. So what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go to Google Drawing. And go ahead and click on that. And the great thing about Google Drawing is you can insert any picture that you have from Drive or even from your computer. So I'm going to go to this little icon with the mountains, or you could even go just to the Insert tab up here. I'm going to go Drive. And I'm going to pick a picture if the swirling thing of death ever stops. All right, I'm going to pick this still life. And so I clicked it and I pushed Insert. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the line tool. And a cursor will little pop up. So it looks kind of like I'll draw over here so you guys can see it, but it's a line. Once that line is highlighted, I can change the color, which I highly recommend doing because it'll be hard to see. And you can also change the weight so that you can see it really easy over picture. So there's two things you could do. You could move this guy if you wanted. Just take him and move him to where you want it to be. So like, let's say in this, you wanted to show where all the baselines were. You could do something like that. Or you can draw right over your picture. So I can take the line tool again. And you got to make sure that that cursor pops up. This little plus sign. And I want to draw right here underneath this teeny tiny potion bottle. I'm clicking my mouse pad and dragging. And again, once I see the highlight, I'm putting yellow. And I am thickening that line up. Oop. Apparently, if you just click, a line pops up. So I deleted that. So that is one way that you can show things. Let me delete all this and show you another way to insert pictures. So I can also upload from my computer. And I'm going to pick my face to show that you can draw over your face too. So this, I can't exactly use a line. I mean, I can use the line, and this would be helpful to draw, let's say, the line of symmetry, which is down the center of my face. Let's do blue, my favorite color, and thicken it up. So now I have a big bright blue line across my face. But another thing you can do is you can do the Scribble tool, which the Scribble is a line, but it's a free form line. So it's sort of like you're actually drawing. It's another click and drag one, and you have to move your finger around the mouse pad to kind of emulate how you would move around your paper if you had it. So right now I'm not clicking anything. I'm just moving my finger around just so I can kind of get used to it. As soon as I click, the line starts, and I should finish my line moving it through. So I always think it's a good idea to kind of trace with your finger. So I'm going to start here at the bottom, and I'm going to click, and I'm just tracing my face the best that I can. Actually, I'm tracing my head. Oh, I got bumpy there. That's okay. It still helps. And when I click off, I have it highlighted, and again, I can change the color, and I can change the thickness. Boom, look at that neon. So this is a really great way to help you see the different shapes of things. You can see how things line up. I can take another line and I can go, sideways, and I can see where my eyes line up on my face. I can see where my nose lines up. I can see where my mouth lines up. So this could be a really helpful tool for you guys. I hope that you do find this helpful.